Hi, welcome to Best Banking Jobs. Now we are going to see about the opening available with Can Bank Factors Limited. It is nothing but a subsidiary of Canara Bank. The application is for the post of junior officer. It is direct interview. There is no exam, so please don't miss it. Now let's see what is Can Bank. Can Bank is a subsidiary of Canara Bank. They are into factoring. Factoring means discounting of bills. If some supplier is sending some invoices or importing or exporting something, exporting their goods, it will be for you. If it is for credit sales, the payment will be after 90 days. In such instances, instead of waiting for 90 days from to receive the payment, that such bills can be discounting with these companies at the discounted rate. If it is for 1000 rupees after 90 days, they can get them 980 rupees immediately, discounting 20 rupees. Like that, it is an example I am telling. Like that, they are like these services. This Canbank Federal is providing. This is what mentioned over here. So it is quite interesting. It seems uh, good than banking. And now let's see what is their services. See, this is what they're doing: providing finance against invoices, sales ledger administration, debit collection services, advisory services. This is what this Canbank Federal is doing. Now we have to get into careers. See, applications are invited for post of junior officers on contract basis. Application form. Just download this form. You should fill it and send to them. See, this is the form. Application for post of junior officer on contract basis. Fill your name, your father name, your mother name, occupation, sex, date of birth. Your age should be calculated as on 31st March 2021. Place of birth, place of domicile, place of stay, present place of stay, religion, category, your PAN card number, permanent address, communication, your mobile number, your languages, your marital status, educational qualification. It's very simple. It's very simple. It won't take more than 10 minutes. If you have been already employed, just mention your employment details. If you any of your relative is working with Canara Bank or its subsidiaries, then you have to mention it over here. And particulars of the DD. It is not an online payment, so you have to take DD. Okay, you have to take a DD with any bank, and the DD particulars should be mentioned here. And just make a sign and courier it. That's it. You'll be directly, the shortlisted candidates will be directly called for the interview. Now let's say the job notification. Say this is a job notification. Applications can be downloaded. This is what we have seen just now. The vacancies is 5 posts, but see here the number of posts is provisional and may vary according to the nature of candidate. Yeah, the fee is very less. It's only 250 rupees. Usually it would be 750 and above for the bank exams. So please don't miss it. Last date, it should reach that your DD and the application form should reach their Bangalore office before 31st July 5:30 p.m. So do it on a priority basis, and the envelope should be at the face it should be noted as application for the post of junior officer on contract basis. See, only interview. The application for junior contract basis will be shortlisted based on their qualification, experience. That will be called for the interview. The contract period, usually any contract post, it will be on renewed based on their requirement. Okay, what is the salary? So the remunerations will be started basic of the junior officer of employee 19,200 with applicable DA. The DA will be added to that, so it seems to be nearly 3 lakhs per annum. For freshers or for even for the less experienced persons, it is it should not be missed. It's something attractive only. These are the other terms. And finally, the junior officer should be a graduate with 55% mark in any discipline from a recognized university with computer knowledge. Age should be between 21 to 31 of age. That's it, friends. So if it's directly called for interview, it's for junior officer. Actually, the nature of job is not mentioned. So only I get into the websites and other things. So it seems to be attractive. It may be even non-sales jobs, because if they are into factoring like that, maybe you may be processing the bills of which have been brought by the candidates. Sorry, brought by the other staff members or the sales teams or the existing customers. So even it may be a non-sales, or maybe an with 50% or 50% sales jobs. It could be, because the natural job is not mentioned, but this is the service of the Kanban. So it's there's no return or any complicated on the recruitment. So 50% will be shortlisted and called for the interview. From the 50, the required staff members will be observed. So don't miss it. And since the last day is only 31st July 2021, please send your applications on an immediate basis, and wish you good luck for the good job. Please subscribe our channel and share these videos. Thank you.